Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Amir Abbas. Today I'm going to talk to you people about teaching online. As you people know, I've been talking about it through a number of my Facebook statuses, so I thought that it would be a good idea that I demonstrate how to do it. So before going further, I'm going to introduce myself. Some of you might know me, but others might not know me because this video might get shared to people who do not know me. My name is Dr. Amir Abbas. I'm a medical doctor. I did my master's in epidemiology and biostatistics, and currently I'm doing master's in health data analytics and IT from Carnegie Mellon University in USA. I've been working on a number of different research positions for the last 5 years. And currently I'm taking my skill sets a bit further by doing this master course on health data analytics and information technology. As we are passing through a very tough time, the COVID-19 pandemic is presenting us with situations which we never perhaps anticipated. So I decided that one way of giving back to the community is demonstrate how to teach online, B, give some skill set so that those who are sitting at home perhaps many students might be able to benefit from these series of videos. So what I'm going to do in the next few days, I'm going to start a series of videos. In that series, what I'm going to do, I'm going to record it, or most probably I'm going to record it. They will not be a live video session. I'm going to record and share a video. That video will not be more than 10 minutes. It will be at the most 10 minutes. So it means you give me 10 minutes, I give you a skill. And that skill will be such that either you can solve a problem in your daily world, whether that is related to your personal life or professional life, or at times that you will be able to demonstrate that skill in your office. You may be able to write some of those skills in your CV. Therefore, what I need from you people is to first help me spreading these videos. First of all, when you see these videos, I'm going to make announcements related to these videos frequently on my timeline and my pages. And when you see these videos, please give me your feedback on how to improve those videos. Suggest different aspects. How do you think that what should be done differently, because they're always very useful. And the more important aspect of it is that I want to demonstrate to people in our countries, that is Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and people where the technology skills or the virtual networks or virtual platforms are not very well developed, or the universities are not used to using them on a regular basis, that virtual technology can be used to teach people even in times when we are not able to organize classes as we are sitting in homes because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So that's all from my side. Any comments are welcome. For this video, the call to action is please share this video so that this message goes along to the maximum number of people, so that we are not sitting idle in our homes and not doing anything. At least we can do something to prevent the losses which are being incurred by this coronavirus pandemic. Thanks a lot for the timing. Have a good day. Or if you are in a different part of the world, have a good night. Take care. Bye.